Alright, it's just after 7 a.m. in Manitou Springs, heading up to the Incline. Just past 1200. About 200 to go. That's the top. Now I just have to go back down. This might be the ultimate summit. Parts of this trail are like a luge run. Alright, back down. I'm not sure exactly what my time was, but the fastest time is like 17 minutes, so I don't think I broke any records, but pretty nice day.